All right, now to a News4Jax I-Team investigation. New rules. If you've noticed that your homeowner's insurance premiums have skyrocketed, you are not alone.
Florida is in a property insurance crisis, and many homeowners are hit with an ultimatum. Replace your roof or lose your coverage completely, and it could cost you thousands of dollars out of pocket.
News4Jax I-Team investigator Vic Michelucci looks at what is fueling the rate hikes and new requirements that all homeowners need to know about.
It was built in the 20s.
Donnie Mack loves his 100-year-old property in Avondale.
It was built as a multifamily, so there's 4 units in this particular building.
He does not love the bills.
My insurance agent reached out to me and said, my rates are going up.
A $1,500 yearly hike. The reason? His roof is more than 10 years old. It's a little shy of 20 years old, actually.
It's never leaked, no issues, so I don't see why I have to replace it,
If he doesn't, his insurance company could drop him, and he's not alone.
When I called our insurance agent, she said, good luck in finding something.
Countless homeowners across Florida are getting notices that their insurance is not being renewed because their roof is too old.
We've always paid everything on time. We've never had any claims.
They also give a deadline. They're like, if you don't get your roof done in so-and-so such time frame, you're going to get dropped.
Ty Caracas with Southern Coast Roofing gets the frantic calls every day.
They're obligated to put that roof on. And what happens? They got to pay out of pocket.
The cost of a new roof depends on the size of your home, but roof quotes can range from $3,000 to $25,000. Naturally, you'd want to blame the insurance company, but not so fast, says agent Daniel Miller.
We're seeing that the reason for the roof replacement requests are because of so many claims that are being put on these homeowners insurance companies.
Miller is co-owner of Brightway Insurance, a broker that says insurance fraud is worse in Florida than anywhere else. Because of a number of phony claims after hurricanes and hailstorms, plus lawsuits, which can cost the company 20 times what the claim is for, Miller says many insurance companies have left the state, and those still here must pass costs on to the consumers and make new rules so there are fewer claims in the future.
We are seeing that insurance companies are nitpicking. We're asking for guidelines that haven't been asked for before. A roofer will install a roof saying that it has a 30-year shingle, but the insurance company is asking for it to be replaced in 12 years. There's a disconnect there.
And it's not just the roof. Many companies are asking people to replace their hot water heaters, their plumbing, their electrical, even if they're working just fine. That could cost you even more out of pocket.
Insurers are bleeding excessively here in Florida. We're projecting an underwriting loss in excess of $1.6 billion for 2021.
Mark Friedlander with the nonprofit Insurance Information Institute says the Sunshine State has a property insurance crisis like nowhere else. And that is triggering a domino effect with premiums skyrocketing.
We're hearing from homeowners across the state that are seeing 50% increases, 100% increases, and some of them legitimately never had a claim.
Friedlander says homeowners should plan for a rate hike, shop around, and ask their agents how they can cut costs. But what should you do if your insurance company all out drops you? We took your questions to Florida's Chief Financial Officer, Jimmy Petronas.
So what do you do if there's somebody that has done everything right, they're still getting dropped, and they don't have the money for that total roof replacement? Where do they go?
So, unfortunately, it's Citizens Insurance. Citizens Insurance, based right here in Duval County in Jacksonville. It's the insurance company both that you and I own, every citizen in the state owns, but it's the insurance of last resort.
Do you believe that the insurance providers are working in the public's best interest? Do you think that they're being fair here with these rate hikes?
I think they're trying to survive.
Petronas says he's working with lawmakers to cut down on fraud and bring more business to the state. Experts say to keep the situation from getting worse, stay away from fly-by-night contractors who promise to make a claim on your behalf.
My cost is going up.
Donnie Mack, who's in the property business, says he's now budgeting for higher premiums and knows a full roof replacement is on the horizon.
It's not all bad news. There is some relief in sight. CFO Petronas is pushing a bill that includes home hardening. That would mean tax relief for homeowners who install impact-resistant doors, windows, and garages. With those upgrades, insurance companies could lower your premiums as well. The home hardening initiative is part of a tax package now headed to the full Florida House for a vote. We'll keep you posted on how that develops. I'm I-Team investigator Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.